Is snoring the unspoken villain in your romantic life? Picture this. You're in a loving relationship and everything seems perfect, but then night falls, and so does the peaceful silence. Your partner's snoring emerges like a relentless storm, disrupting sleep and turning sweet dreams into sleepless nights. It starts with a nudge, then earplugs, and maybe even a separate bedroom. But is this the solution? Does the symphony of snores start to play a discordant note in your relationship harmony? The answer isn't enduring sleepless nights or fantasizing about soundproof rooms. The real solution lies with sleepthroughsnoring.com. Our method isn't just about silencing snores. It's about bringing back peaceful nights and preserving the harmony in your relationship. Visit sleepthroughsnoring.com. Don't let snoring be the deal breaker in your relationship. Book a free strategy call and discover how you can turn those noisy nights into serene slumbers. Remember, a good night's sleep is the cornerstone of a happy relationship. Don't let snoring be the reason for your love story's untimely end.